Right guys, so down this way first, please. We're out.
Hither, my herd, hither. Speaketh I not, other do hath. You're right, Dusty.
Yeah, I'm alright.
Good. You need a new protector there.
I need to go. That's right. Get you one anyway.
Barry, look what I got back. Are you doing the briefing?
Yeah, I think so.
Right. Can you let my team attack first?
We're not doing attack. Conquest.
Oh, sick.
It's like one end, it's basically to one end and then go anyway which way around, safe zone.
Ah. Was there like multiple spawn points then?
Yeah, whatever you capture basically, you're gonna start. You'll have a hard spawn point, and then whatever you capture, you can spawn off of.
Oh, sick.
Did we have 2 spawn boxes prepped back?
I have no idea.
Because there was only one when I went back for it.
Callum's gone to get the other one anyway.
Yeah, he went back and there was only one as well.
Come on, gents, today's the day.
There was only one.
Shut up, pal.
Because whoever was meant to put them together had
Do you have any spare black powder for me, gents?
Who did you tell to put them together?
I didn't tell anyone. I think Jill sorted it out.
There was only one. There is a man with a minigun out here that's going to have a field day.
I know, I saw that. I almost drawed him.
560 from South End airsoft or whatever it's called.
That's good.
560 for that.
Right guys, a little
That's good.
Other than the saw grip, because he added that, but... Same man with the minigun. Yeah, there's a man with a minigun. Nope. I've lost him.
So guys in the back, moving up. Get dripped on.
This is from that, not for something else.
That's it, guys in the back, quick as you can.
We may not be allowed to shoot you, but your own teammates can.
Yeah. Right, okay guys, welcome to the first half of your first game. We're going to be doing something completely different this morning. We're going to be playing a game of Conquest, okay? I've opened up every map around the safe zone today. So what we're going to be doing, there's going to be capture points on each map, apart from the events field. The objective is to get your flag raised, or there's ammo tins with blue and red armbands on. Place one of those inside the chopper or inside the building of whichever map you're on to claim that point, okay?
It's been a long time though.
Yeah, my brain's gone blank.
Your brain had a fart.
Yeah. So we're going to be playing across heli, crater, the events field, trenches, CQB, fob, and obviously that creates a big round circle back to heli again. We're going to have one team starting at the blue rat trees at the top of fob. That is going to be your hard respawn point. We're going to have one team starting at the blue rat trees down at the bottom of crater field. That'll be your hard respawn point. Once you've captured a point, let's say you've run from crater up to heli and you've captured heli, you can then respawn on heli. Okay? If the enemy team has the capture point next to your hard respawn point, you've still got the hard respawn point in there to try and capture it back. Okay? We've got blues and greens on one side, you're going to be raising the blue flag or placing the blue container inside the building or the helicopter. On trenches, it's just getting it on top of the white container in the centre of trenches, okay guys? Oranges, yellows and reds, you're going to be doing the red flags or the red containers. We're going to be running full auto on every map apart from CQB, obviously it's a bit close there, and trenches. So if you're going onto those maps, we're going to have you switching down to single fire only, okay guys? Boundaries, netting all the way around the safe zone, rope all the way around the safe zone. Do not go into the car park, please. Other than that, on the outsides, you've got netting, rope again. It's fairly simple. If you're going past the rope, you've gone too far. There is a rope running in between Crater Field and the events field. You can cross underneath that as that completes the circle, okay? We just can't take that rope down. Do I have any questions? Everyone clear on what we're doing?
Who's attacking first?
Both teams are attacking, so you can go any direction you want. If you want to run straight at each other and fight, you can do that. If you want to try and be sneaky and go around the other ways, you can do that as well, okay guys?
That could be sneaky.
We're going to have the blue and green team. Seeing as you're on that side, you're going to be heading down to the blue rat trees at the top of Fob. Yellows, reds and oranges, you're going to be heading down to Crater Field at the blue rat trees down by the road.
One straight here.
Okay guys? Right, do you want to take the teams down guys?
What's the events?
Oh, Matt. Oh, no, it's not Matt. Sorry, I thought you were Matt.
Is that your sniper?
Might go on a little run towards CQB, try to get CQB, then move on to trenches.
Yeah, because we're near for the form.
Yeah.
We're near the crate CQB.
We can make our way across trenches to the event field. If we can do that, then that's 3 spawn points we got.
So we got, is it greens and blues or greens and blues against orange and yellow? Green and blue.
Hope we've got quite a few snipers on our team, that'd be real fun.
Yeah. I haven't seen too many snipers, to be fair.
I'm colourblind. Toby, I'm colourblind.
I'm gonna hang that in someone's face.
Yeah, what's wrong?
Oh! What's it?
Your knee pad's coming out.
Oh yeah, I'll sort that out in a sec.
We'd attached that to the helicopter previously. And we got a bit, we got a stand here, we got a bit stumped up down here.
Hey, Callum, we're actually near Heady from here.
Sorry?
We're near Heady from here.
Yeah. I might just try cover as much ground though and just head straight towards CQB and stuff. Wait, where are they starting?
Blue rat trees down the bottom of the crater.
Oh, okay.
Let's keep the cardboard box quite nice and dry.
I don't know, because they're running uphill.
Yeah.
We're running crossways. So.
You've got
I mean, you think how long it takes to get down to the bottom end of Crater, and then they've got to navigate the crater.
and they're going tough.
And on top of that, if they all go that way, then they've all got to do. I feel like doing right now. It's hard to think. It will slow down.
Quick recommendation, I would recommend a few of you capturing the fob at the start of the game so you don't have to walk back up this hill. I would recommend a lot of you going towards CQB and capturing that soft spawn point as well. And just a friendly reminder, no cutting through the safe zone and no going into the car park. Everywhere else on the fields, that is all inbounds. Are we all ready?
Yeah.
What are we doing, guys?
Which camera?
I think Ryan just will follow me.
I mean, you can sprint. I can sprint.
Hopefully some people are going to take that like I said. Yeah, I think the young lads are going to go straight for the fob.
The thing is, I don't know where we're going to end up meeting.
Well, they're starting the crater, aren't they?
Yeah, I think it's bottom end of the crater.
Yeah, logically they go for the helicopter and go half and half. Helicopter CQB is what they say. But they'll have to go CQB via
To be
trenches.
fair though, yeah, trenches, we'll probably see them on the trenches and event field.
To be fair, if I could get to trenches, I could shoot the whole way across there.
Yeah, I hope we've got quite a few snipers as well.
Yeah.
This is TM but heavily upgraded.
CQB, you're like pretty much at their side of trenches anyway.
No, he just goes